How to contact Apple support via app. Well, to contact Apple support through their dedicated mobile app, you'll have to head into your Apple App Store first and search in Apple Support app. So you can simply type in Apple Support and you should be able to get the application towards the top. As you can see here, Apple Store, you want to tap on Get and you want to install the application. Once you have the application installed, you can open the app and select the specific device or service you need to help with. For example, iPhone, Apple Watch, or subscriptions. So open up, as you can see, tap on Continue, allow while using the app or allow once, and go to the support page. Then you can select what you need support with: subscriptions, passwords, Apple Care and warranty, your paired AirPods, or your iPhone. And you can proceed to head into this particular option and pick a contact method depending on your issue and location. Also make sure to choose a topic, what you need help with. You can also start a live text conversation with an Apple advisor, or you can request a call immediately or schedule one for later. In some reasons, you can get help directly through the Messages app. Hope this video was helpful. To like and subscribe.